Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a very easy pouch. So let's get started. Cut 2 pieces of fabric the same size. Place your zipper down along the edge. Place the other fabric over and pin it over the zipper. Now turn it right side out and bring this side up and pin it to the zipper. Like that. And then bring the lining up and pin that to the zipper. Like that. And the zipper will be on the inside. And I'm going to sew across here and zigzag. Now reach your hand in through and then pick up the lining and pull it inside. Like that. I'm going to offset mine on the front like that. So now you're going to open the zipper and fold it inside out. And I'm going to position my zipper on the front, pin down the sides, and I'm going to sew and zigzag down both sides. Like that. I zigzagged and sewed down both sides, and now I'm just going to turn it right side out. And there you have a very easy pouch. And I have just a small piece of stretchy fabric here. I'm going to pass that through the zipper and tie it in a knot. And there you have a very easy pouch. And there you go. That's how easy it is to sew a very basic pouch that you could use for makeup, crochet hooks, pencils, or anything you need a little pouch for. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.